Up until now, security platforms were designed for humans, analysts working through dashboards, triaging alerts, manually orchestrating responses. That model, it's breaking. AI agents are becoming the primary operators of security systems, and they don't need dashboards. They don't click buttons. They don't wait. What they need is data. They need context, and they need to be able to act. Think about self-driving cars. They didn't just automate driving. They changed how you interact with the car. You tell the car where you want to go, it handles the rest. Now imagine if security worked the same way. Headless security is the next step. The future is a model where security is delivered as API-driven capabilities designed for autonomous execution, not constant human interaction. It's going to remove the traditional user interface. It's going to allow for hyper-personalized security. No longer are you using UIs built for what a vendor thinks the majority of companies want, but rather, you're interacting with your data exactly how your organization wants to. And the AI agents are constantly learning which apps are mission critical, which assets are high value. Your security tool doesn't define the workflow. Your agent learns the best workflow for you. Humans are no longer the bottleneck. They get to shift from operators to orchestrators. They'll define policies, constraints, risk tolerance, all while agents execute. The result is headless security. Security that works the way you work.